What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about OXT, also known as Orchid, which has pumped up nearly 25% in the last 24 hours. Well, it did pump over 30% in the last, let's say, a couple of hours, but has taken a slight dip, as you guys can see. So essentially what we're going to be going through is it worth buying this crypto right now? Is it too late? If you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on? So essentially covering buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can this crypto go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up over a percentage in the last 24 hours, which is not that bad. And we do have OXT as the top gainer in the last 24 hours, according to Coinbase and according to Binance as well. So zooming into the hourly chart, we can see it has dropped about 3% in the last hour itself. Over the last day, 25% up. We can see it hit about 45% earlier on today, hitting just about 8 cents, and right now has dropped down to 7 cents. Over the week, 37%, and over the month, 34%. And we can clearly see it has been quite volatile, up and down over the last couple of days. But yes, overall, it has managed to gain the positive side. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 280%, making it $78 million in trading, which is a huge increase. Again, it's one of the top gainers. It is going to get a lot of attention around it, a lot of hype. More and more people are going to start trading the crypto, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of traders, as it is one of the top gainers. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, or Fibonacci scale, sorry, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Orchid, which is here in purple at 0.054007 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value here at nearly 7 cents in red, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange now looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Orchid over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, do expect Orchid to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. What I am expecting is for it to drop down to around the 6 cents target by the end of the day today. But again, that doesn't mean it's going to start dropping in value right now. Of course not. It is likely to hit green days in between as well. Sorry, green hours, pump up to about 8 cents as well, up and down, quite volatile. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got quite of a mixed signal here. We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from OXT over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week and early next week, I'm expecting Orchid to be more or less trading around the 7 cents target. But again, this of course depends on how the crypto market performs, and again, do expect green and red days over the next 7-8 days, up and down, quite volatile, just like how it's been. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side, so fluctuating around 7 cents towards the end of the week and early next week as well. onto the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, guys, we've got both the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep, meaning it's not realistic. As mentioned plenty of times, guys, whenever you see the MACD indicator looking this steep, either going in a bullish or bearish direction, it is not realistic, and the exact same applies here. So yes, it is not realistic, it's not going to pump up that much, but I am expecting an overall increase in value from OXT over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So potentially late September, early October 2023, I am expecting Orchid to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Potentially hitting 15 cents in target is what I'm expecting. Again, 15 cents may seem like a huge increase from where it is at the moment. However, if we do manage to give it approximately 2.5 months time, we should be able to hit that target. And I'm expecting the crypto market to be going through an overall bullish and pump over the next 2 to 3 months, and potentially for the rest of the year as well, which also includes Bitcoin hitting $35,000. That's what I'm expecting by September to October time. So if that does manage to take place, we should also see Orchid hitting 15 cents, and most of the other cryptos pumping up in value as well. But again, it is cryptocurrency, guys. It has a major it's very volatile. A little news can have a major impact on the crypto market, but that is why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on a daily basis on what to expect, what to predict from the crypto market. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Orchid for the next couple of months. But over the short term, guys, for those of you who are short term traders, make sure you got your risk management on point, as I'm expecting the crypto to take a little bit of a drop over the next couple of hours and days as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are currently trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit 22 cents in target, which I'm not expecting anytime soon from Orchid. So at least for the next 6 to 8 months, I'm expecting us to be trading in the red zone, and potentially heading up to the green zone early to mid next year. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Orchid, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, for those of you guys who are interested in Orchid, comment down below how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2023, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So comment down below your predictions. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, and all of that stuff, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.